Hello everyone, my name is Soumik Sarkar. I'm a faculty member of Mechanical Engineering and Computer Science at Iowa State University. I'm very happy today to be able to attend this US-Taiwan collaboration meeting. So a little bit about myself. I run the Self-Aware Complex Systems Lab at Iowa State, where we develop machine learning and deep learning algorithms and tools for a variety of engineering and science problems, industrial problems with a cyber-physical systems application focus. I also direct the newly established Translational AI Center at Iowa State. I'd like to, sincerely thank my sponsors who supported my research over the years, primarily the National Science Foundation and USD and IFA, as well as I'd like to thank my collaborators. One of them I'd like to particularly mention is University of Tokyo. And this is the reason I bring this up because it's also one of the international partnerships that was built through NSF support a few years ago. That was really fruitful for my team's research. A particular project that I would like to mention here, which is a Cyber Physical Systems Frontier project that started last year. The name is ContextAware Learning for Sustainable Cyber Agricultural Systems, or CoALS. In this project, we are attempting to disrupt the current US agricultural practices through cyber physical systems innovations to enhance efficiency, resiliency, sustainability, and autonomy. So today in US agriculture system really depends on large capital investment, large production fields, large equipment, and with a lot of environmental footprint with indiscriminate use of chemicals and water. So we'd really like to change that paradigm and to a more sustainable agricultural system with much lower environmental footprint using CPS innovations and with using equipment like drones and smaller ground robots instead of large equipment as we currently use. And this will also introduce ultra precision agriculture with individualized sensing, individualized modeling and reasoning at a plant or a plot scale, and then finally individualized actuation so that we do not spray chemicals in a widespread manner. We just do as much as we need. This is a large project with quite a few team members from led by Iowa State, and then University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, University of Arizona, Ohio State, George Mason University, and Iowa Soybean Association. And this is primarily supported by the National Science Foundation, as well as jointly funded with USD and IFA. If you would like to get more information about your project, please feel free to look at our website or ask me, send me an email. At the bottom right, we have the website address. In terms of why I'm interested in international collaborations, well, I mainly look at it from 4 different points of view. So first of all, the complementary technical focus and expertise. As you can imagine, to enable our cyber ag systems, we need varied expertise, and to really achieve holistic success and to train students in a comprehensive manner, we need international partnerships as we are talking about today. And then US-Taiwan has different focus in terms of crops, farm management practices. So we could definitely learn from each other in terms of best practice and different perspectives. If we can establish a trustworthy and productive relationship, we could share data sets, we could share validation use cases that could really accelerate our innovations and technology development on both ends. And finally, we could learn from the international farming community in terms of identifying the key adoption barriers for these new technologies and how to overcome them. With that, I'll stop today and be happy to answer any questions that you may have. And thanks for your attention.